Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into using Notion to track employee performance, your full 2025 guide for an efficient workplace. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, we need to create a new page on Notion and title it Employee Performance. Now, why do we do this? Well, this page will serve as a centralized hub, making it easier to track each employee's progress and achievements. Moving forward, let's design our template. Click on Templates on the right side of your page and start adding columns such as name, position, monthly target, and performance score. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual on each employee's status and progress. Remember, a well-structured template is key to accurate tracking. Now that we've done that, it's time to add our employees to the tracker. Simply click on New Entry and start filling in the relevant details for each employee. This helps us because it establishes an individual record for each employee, making it easier to track their performance individually. Next up, let's talk about regular updates. An efficient tracker should be updated regularly. So, make it a habit to update each employee's data at least once a week. This is crucial as it ensures that the data is current and provides you with real-time insights. Finally, don't forget to use Notion's comment feature. Use this to add notes or feedback for each employee. This feature can help foster communication and transparency between you and your team, and that's important for building trust and boosting morale. And there you have it. Once you've set this up, you've got yourself a powerful tool for tracking employee performance using Notion. Remember, a good tracking system is crucial in identifying strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement. So, keep it updated, keep it organized, and keep the communication flowing. That's it for today's quick guide. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.